Hi guys, welcome back to Wrector. I hope you are having a wonderful evening. So today, let's see what's today we're going to analyze Bitcoin actually. So let's see, what do we see? So at the time of recording, BTC is trading at 19,100 US dollars per coin. So we have been expecting this drop. Uh, I think not the video before, but the video uh, one before the last video. I did explain that 19,000 and 17,000 are the next support levels where we will be definitely touching, because whales are interested in pushing BTC downwards, where you could load up a good dip. 1 year later you become a millionaire, right? Probably that's a story. And yeah, so the Apple theory that I explained on my previous video. So that's that. So let's see what's Bitcoin doing right now. So let's quickly get into DOM. So as you see, we are below the previous rising wedge that we drew some time back. That's there. So the support's over here. So we are trading in between. If you look into the 4 hours, if you have to look for some patterns, let's see, what do we see? We do see a bearish pennant. Oops, sorry about that. A bearish pennant. So that's that. So as you see, that's there, a bearish pennant. That is this one, this one. So hope for Bitcoin to raise its head a little bit. So if BTC DOM is to move downwards, breaking the support level over here, we might say BTC reaching back to 24, 25,000. So that's that, right? So let's go through our indicators on down and see where we're heading to. So the RSI is favoring towards the sell side over here, and then it's been consolidating for a period of 5 days. So we've been trading on the same range. We do see a resist on the fascia, the Bollinger Band strategy. So basically they are mixed, but then they are heading, I mean, they are giving us some sort of bearish sign, which is good for Bitcoin. So let's see, let's get into 1 hour really quick and then see where they last. Yeah, as you see, we did have the Bollinger Band buy signal over here, which caused BTC to dump. We had an oversold area, and most likely we will be oversold very soon. And you will see the Bollinger Band strategy fall down, the RSI heading to the sell side. So that's that. So some sort of relief. So let's go back to 4 hours. Let's move the turn indicators off. So we do have a, I mean, it's not a valid resistance, but then it's very small, so I'm not going to do a rectangle. Instead, I'm going to draw a horizontal line over here. Let's make it red. So that's that. So yeah, we are hoping BTC dump to break below and head downwards, where it might reflect a bull market on Bitcoin. So let's get back to Bitcoin and see what's up. So presently we are below the support level. The support level was taken from the weekly chart, as you see over here. So we are also at the 0.764 Fibonacci level. That's a good support. If we have to break below the next, I mean, it's not a valid, I mean, it's not a strong support, but it's a weak support at 17,600. But if you have to break both the lines, we might see a week close to 16,000, 15,000 range. But then that's for, that's later. I mean, it's just a 5% chance BTC might do this. This as in a 5% chance BTC might do this. A 60% chance BTC might do this. A 90% chance BTC might do this. So those are my predictions. So why do I say that? Just let's quickly uh, look through the indicators. So as you see over here on the 4-hour chart, the Fisher is oversold, the RSI is oversold. The Bollinger Band strategy has not given us a buy signal, but it's just moving towards the buy signal. That's on the 4 hours. So let's get back to 1 hour and see what's up. The RSI has been consolidating for so long. Sorry, the Bollinger Band strategy has been consolidating for so long. The RSI is in a oversold area. The Fisher is some sort of oversold too. So let's look into if we could find in some sort of patterns. Uh, as far as I know, as far as I see this, the dump took forward was I mean it was like 4 hours ago. So what do I see here? I do see a, a inverted rising wedge, which is a bullish pattern. I'm just gonna find a new color. Let's make it that. Yeah, so that's that. So yeah, I think BTC is a good time to buy. Definitely buy dollar cost averaging. If you're buying it on spot, I think it's good for a few months hold. You will definitely make profits. But then that's that. So my prediction for Bitcoin is, as you see over here, is just this. But I think I would go with a 90% chance one. We will definitely head towards 21,000. That's hope for Bitcoin. It's really hard to do. I mean, it's really hard to play with any. I mean, if you had watched my previous videos, I told you do not depend on technical analysis because they do not work, right? I mean, it's better to depend on the buy orders. Most of them are fake. I mean, I could just show you the buy orders. Now, if you look at right now, there is a 2000 BTC buy order at 18,800. Few hours ago, this was at 17,000 range, but then they have pushed it up. These keep on changing, but then you'll have to keep a constant eye on this every other minute, probably every 5 minutes, especially when BTC is dumping every second if possible, right? So, I mean, these orders, I'm not sure if they will take place on this range, but then it will be somewhere around this range. So, if you're going on leverage, zero point 0.5, I mean, scalping on 125% is the best. I mean, 125 leverage. 20x is good for a long-term hold if you're gonna do it a starter investment of 2% of your capital. Spot, I would say right away by 10% or more at the current trading price and just continue dollar cost averaging. You'll definitely not lose. Wrector guarantees that. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a nice day, guys.